Worried that growing an online business means posting on social media every single day? It doesn't. One easy way to start building an online business without social media is to let your freebie do the work. For example, this pin I created in Canva grabs attention and links directly to my landing page. Share it in forums, communities, or Pinterest, and your email list handles the selling for you. The tricky part, though, without a system or follow up emails and pre sale sequences, your new leads could go cold fast. That's where the AI faceless list builder comes in. You get faceless traffic strategies, ready to use funnel templates, and email sequences so your business keeps growing without ever needing to post daily or go viral. I've linked the AI faceless list builder in the description if you want to check it out. Along with the core system, you get pre-written emails, templates, and step-by-step instructions, all backed by 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So if you're ready to grow an online business without posting on social media, grab the AI Faceless List Builder today for less than $30. Check out the link in the description.